Students are allowed to work on several skills when working with the parallel bars, starting with forward and backward travel. When students are doing this skill, students are moving down the bars with their legs over the bars and their hands in front of their bodies or behind their bodies, pulling or pushing themselves forward. Students can also do a crab walk forward, and this is where students are literally doing a crab walk on top of the parallel bars, down the parallel bars. Students are allowed to do crab walk sideways, where students are doing a sideways crab walk down the parallel bars. Students are also allowed to do a sloth travel, and this is where students hold themselves upside down underneath the parallel bars as they move down the parallel bars. Students can also do hand walking, and this is probably the most challenging one, where students have to hold themselves up, only using their hands, and have to move down the parallel bars. Students, when they do a dismount or get off the parallel bars, the younger students tend to just use the blue mats to help get themselves down the parallel bars. But students can also do a standard dismount where they just kind of jump off of the parallel bars straight forward. Students can also do a side dismount where students jump off one of the sides of the bars of the parallel bars. And then last, students can also do a backflip. Usually when students do the backflip, that's when we finish doing the sloth travel because they're already upside down and they just use their feet and kick their feet over their bodies, completing a backflip. And then last, I allow a group challenge, and that's the only time I allow 2 students on the parallel bars at once. And this is where students can compete against one another to see who can hold one another up the longest. One student lines up on each side of the parallel bars, and on 3, we count 1, 2, 3. Students jump up and hold themselves up. The first student to let go loses.